Dorsey's Music World. They're singing in history and musical literacy. Mr. Dorsey's Music World. We're living the dream starts here.
Hi, and welcome to Mr. Dorsey's Music World's second grade music literacy lesson number 1. My name is Mr. Dorsey because it would be really weird if this was called Mr. Dorsey's Music World and my name was Bob Magoo. To my Seymour students, welcome back to another great year, and I hope we get to learn and have a lot of fun together real soon. For those of you watching on YouTube or some other place, welcome. I'm glad you could join me, and I hope that what I teach you will help solidify and strengthen what you are learning with your music teacher. Now, the first 3 lessons in second grade are going to be review lessons based on things that you should have learned in first grade. Now, as we go through these, and you're like, Mr. Dorsey, I don't remember this stuff. Don't worry, just think of these lessons as a crash course in prior knowledge to get you ready for second grade. Now, what are we going to learn today? Let's find out. Our learning goal is broken down into 4 steps. Our big idea is performing. Our process, which is the steps to get to your goal, is analyze and interpret. Our objective, what are we going to do, is I can read and understand quarter notes and paired eighth notes, paired or 2/8 notes. And the method, how are we going to do it? We're going to do it by performing, listening, and reading notation. Now at the end of this lesson, we're going to assess or grade ourselves on how we did. So you want to think about these 3 questions as you go through the lesson. Number 1, can I perform the rhythms correctly? Number 2, can I identify the rhythm symbols? And number 3, can I explain what the rhythm symbols do? In order to help us learn and understand quarter notes and paired eighth notes, or 2/8 notes, we're going to use an old song called The Closet Key. Please take a listen. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. Okay, echo after me. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. Now we're going to sing the song together, but we're going to add something. We're going to tap the rhythm. Remember that rhythm means the pattern of sounds and silence over time. So we're going to tap the rhythm of what we were singing. Like, I have lost the closet key. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready and sing. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. I have lost the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. Help me find the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. I have found the closet key in some lady's garden. Good. So now the next step, we're going to take the lyrics or the words to the song out of it, and we're going to add rhythm syllables. Now, my students know that we use ta and tati. Now, for those of you who are watching this who are like, Mr. Dorsey, I have no idea. Ta and tati, bing bong, bop a doo, burr, bop, bip, bip, doo. Yeah, okay, well, those are the rhythm syllables I use to help my students. They work really well for me. However, your teacher may use something different. There's lots of different answers. There's lots of different right ways of doing this. There's not really a wrong way. Sometimes people use numbers. Sometimes people use different syllables. And that's okay. Use whatever you feel comfortable with, or you can try mine today. All right? So echo after me. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Okay, we're not going to do the whole song because the rhythm actually stays the same for all three parts or verses to the song, okay? So let's try it together. 1, 2, ready and sing. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Now, I know you heard this because you're really smart, but let me just say it for anybody who's never done this before, okay? There are only 2 rhythm patterns in this whole song. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. That was one pattern. And then the second pattern was ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. That's it. So since there's only 2 patterns, let me teach you 2 more, and then we can learn how to read 4 different patterns in just a moment. All right, here is pattern number 3. Ta, 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 ti, ta. Ta, 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 ti, ta. And here's pattern number 4. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Here's the information you need to know in order for you to read rhythms. The beat is the pulse or heartbeat of music. The rhythm is the pattern of sounds and silence over time. Now, when we hear one sound that lasts one beat, like ta, that is the quarter note. As you can see, it has a note head or the circle that tells you that's going to make a sound. And then the stem. When you hear 2 sounds that are only in one beat, those are the paired eighth notes or 2 eighth notes. As you can see, there are 2 note heads, which equals 2 sounds. The stems are connected at the top by a beam. We are now going to read the 4 rhythms that we learned how to perform earlier. echo after me. Make sure that you are looking at the pattern while I say it, and then when you echo it back to me, read the pattern so we can make that sight to sound connection. Here's number 1. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Here's number 2. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Here's number 3. Ta, 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 ti, ta. And here's number 4. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Now let's say them together. Number 1. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Here's number 2. Ready and go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. Number 3. Ready and go. Ta, 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 ti, ta. And lastly, number 4. 1, 2, ready and go. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Now let's go back to our learning goal. Our big idea was performing. Our process was analyze and interpret. Our objective was I can read and understand quarter notes and paired eighth notes. And our method was performing, listening, and reading notation. Now let's assess or grade ourselves on how we did. I told you at the beginning of class there were 3 questions you had to think about. Can I perform the rhythms correctly? Can I identify the rhythm symbols? And 3, can I explain what the rhythm symbols do? Now, if you answered yes to all 3 questions and you could explain to someone else how to do it, you're an expert. You're ready for the next challenge. If you answered yes to all 3 questions, you're a practitioner. Can you explain it to someone? That'll bring you to the next level. If you answered yes to 1 or 2 questions, you're an apprentice. Pick 1 question you answered no to and work on that. And finally, if you're just starting to learn this, like we all are at some point, you're a novice. Ask your teacher for more information. That's it, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. We did go really quick today. We got a couple lessons like this, and then we're going to slow it down with lesson 4. So until then, take care. See you soon.
Mr. Dorsey's Music World. We're singing in history and musical literacy. Mr. Dorsey's Music World. We're living the dream starts here.